Parks of the technology created in different parts of the world become a synonym of economic structures of the 21st century that combine research and science institutions looking for new opportunities of development, extensive business, background in finance, consulting, training and supporting the development of innovative firms and the high potential of entrepreneurship. In addition, these parks combine innovative infrastructure with business atmosphere, which attracts creative people.
Mówimy o gospodarce Nowej Soli, gospodarce regionu, gospodarce kraju.
The resulting interior park as a modern institution of business support will have a well-developed infrastructure, classrooms, conference facilities, office space, laboratory and industrial hall that will make the park a modern technological and business center. The building of a park of technology and logistic of industry interior in Nowa Sól has got a usable area of over 3,700 square meters. The building consists of two parts, the office and the warehouse and production hall, connected one with another. It all makes Interior Park the most modern project of its kind in the western part of Poland. This is the park after 5 months of construction work. We can see the whole building and the typical place where the production hall with an area of 1,500 square meters will be built. The exact description of the hall and its purpose will be presented later. Interior will connect science and business. One of its tasks is to support innovative companies in any kind of scientific research, which will help streamline production processes. That's why the park created in the direct neighborhood of the economic area of Nowa Sól city is not only the office space. There are also educational facilities such as modern lecture halls and laboratories, which the park partners will have the opportunity to use. Before we see the exact distribution of facilities in the interior park, let's have a look how, according to the architects, the surrounding area will change. Within the project, the external infrastructure is also being created: car parks, green zones, sidewalks and bicycle paths, and the road that will connect the Zielonogórska Street with Inżynierska Street. In this way, direct access to the area from the city and Zielonogórska Street will be provided. Now it's time to look what exactly will be found within the walls of Interior Park. The building is in a roof, so listening to the description of the following strategic premises, you must use your imagination and carefully follow all of the pictures. In the main part of the building, on the ground floor, there will be the entrance hall, leading directly to the inner courtyard of the building. Around the hall, rooms such as dressing rooms, reception, toilets and a staircase leading to the first floor of the building will be located. The main hall will also provide access to the two-story connector with a production and a warehousing hall. The production and a warehousing hall has been divided into two parts: the administrative and social services part and the production and warehousing part, along with data center. Right here, where I am now, we will place the server cabinets of the companies or institutions that will want to place the data on this server room. Here you will be able to put your devices and store your data on them, or you will be able to rent such equipment from the operator and store your data on it as well. In the eastern wing of the building, on the ground floor, there will be conference and lecture rooms for 130 people and also buffet facilities, toilets and a technical room. The room will be provided with audiovisual equipment, including interactive board, prepared for running professional trainings. In addition, the room will be also for rent, which will be one of the park's sources of income. In the west wing of a building, on the ground floor, there will be laboratory space. The laboratories will provide services for companies and research to improve technological processes will be led. On the first floor of Interior Park, business incubator facilities will be located. What is important, the building design system allows any division of them. Interior Park will rent office, conference, lecture and laboratory space. A wide offer of interior park will make it an integral part of the development of a cooperating companies, offering its support of scientific research, consulting, training, providing assistance in applying for European Union funding and implementation of joint projects. What is more, the interior park will support the growth of innovative culture and develop services for innovation. The program is co-funded by the European Union from the European Regional Development Fund and state budget under the Regional Operational Program of Lubuskie Province from 2007 to 2013. Priority the second, stimulating of investment growth in enterprises and strengthening of innovative potential. Action 2.4, transfer of research, modern technologies and innovation from the world of science to enterprises. European funds for Lubuskie Province development.